Hello everyone. In today's class we will solve another coding question which is moving zeros to the end of the array without using any extra space. So an array is given, this array. We need to move all the zeros to the end of this array, okay, without using an extra space. That is, we have to do it in place without making a copy of the array. So how do we solve this question? Okay, let us start by taking an example 0. And what was the example? 0 1 0 3 12 1 0 3 12. Okay, this is our array. So how do we solve this question? We solve this by taking two variables I and x. We update x and move I from the first location to the last location, and we update in x only when the ith element is not equal to 0. So if ith element, that is array I, is not equal to 0, then what we do is we put this value in xth element, that is array x equal to array z, and x is increased. Okay, so this is the crux. So in first part, I is 0th location, ith element is 0, so we don't do anything. Then I is in the second part, I is not equal to 0, then we put it in xth element, so it will become as 1. After this, I is increased, I become this, I is equal to 0, so we don't do anything. Then x has become this one, x points to dix in this part. Okay, so when I is here, it sees that ith element is not equal to 0, it puts this value in x, then x value is increased, x points to the next location, then I moves, increments itself and moves here. It sees that the ith element is not equal to 0, so it puts its value in the xth element. So this, now when I has reached to the end of the array, we put all zeros after the x element. Okay, so this is the logic. Now we should start coding it. Okay, int n is the size. Oh, I should rename it to array, int r dot size. Okay, then I and x. Okay, for I is equal to 0, I should be smaller than n, I plus plus. If we have stated our condition, if array I is not equal to 0, then what do we do? Array, the xth element becomes the ith element. Okay, and x is increased. Okay, so this happens, and after this we have to also make zeros to all the elements after x. So while x is less than n, we put 0 to all those elements. Okay, into all those elements. Okay, now it is almost done. We need to check if array dot size less than nothing. Don't need to. We should check it. Start running it. Okay, accepted. Now submit. Okay, accepted also. Thanks for watching.